We only ever talk.
Am I allowed to go live on TikTok? No, we're dancing, Tina.
I can't join you guys.
You can. No, you can. You, I get to join front. You don't have to join. The back is that.
You can't be drunk when you're drunk. I did MD and another guy.
Can I say something so?
Huh? Yeah, I did.
Can I say something?
MD and Monica.
And you're gonna join us because
And Ben.
I can't because my wardrobe malfunction.
Wait, back. It's the back button. There's a song that I wanna play real quick, then I'll come back. Because you know you can always.
I really like what you done to me.
What is this, my piano artist Indian?
Net, I am so into you. I really like, but you continue. Oh, I can't really explain it. I am so into you, really like, but you. Guys, can we sing Tabang a happy birthday? Can we sing Tabang a happy birthday to you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tabang. Happy birthday.
Bring the cake.
Happy birthday to.
It's chocolate cake. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have it.
That's it.
I'm having it.
I'm gonna have it. Where do you
I'm
think
having
it's
chocolate cake.
from?
I'm having chocolate cake.
You know what's crazy? I don't eat chocolate.
Oh! They even have mint.
I mean, it's a bit caramelized.
Guys, my pants so Oh my gosh, I'm so bad.
Let me sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Make sure to wipe it with your cake. Can I show them your cake? Guys, how cute. What? How cute is this cake?
It's got lint. It's got lint. It's got.
My friend got me that.
It's got lint. It's
This is
got.
a cake. This is what you get for your birthday.
It's got Kit
Love
Kat.
my friend so much.
Oh my gosh, it's got whispers. Wi-Fi. What do you call it? Wi-Fi.
Cake.
First of all, this cake is not good for anyone's diet. But damn.
Cake
Wait,
is something
ma.
you get once in a lifetime.
And it's got black caramel popcorn and lint.
I want some of these chocolates.
I want to be 23. I want it.
I'm there for now.
Who are you trying to? Try.
I was doing a joke, okay?
I don't care, dog. I'm cold.
This is a cake. Not that cake that I woke up in the morning and I found a cake from food. A brick.
This is a cake. It's not a brick.
The only cake that I got for my birthday was a cake from food. A brick, Tabang. I'm not.
Guys, Tabang's cake. I'm gonna bow. Today's my cheat day, so.
This is my cake.
I mean, it even has a macaroon. It even has a
But
macaroon.
Tabang, this is a cake.
I don't know what a
Where did you
macaroon
get
is,
the
but
Caesar?
this
Why
is
didn't you
good.
even cut it?
I got it yesterday on my birthday. I'm
But
cutting
why
it
didn't
today.
Nah, you cutting it
Why
because we
haven't
decided.
Yesterday. What do you think I want to eat cake late?
I had a chocolate. Here you go. It's so heavy. Tabang. Thank you. Sauce. First of all, you're playing music. Why are you here? No, but like you weren't supposed to be here. Sir? I'll give her. Can you play a song that we can dance to? Not this.
I know it.
Really?
I know it.
No.
The perfect song.
Woo! I love to be outside.
But we're playing a dancing song. A song that we can dance to. Not a song that we can dance to.
Like what you mean?
Like now outside of the social.
No, it's very outside.
Guys, Yaya doesn't have a weight. What? Hi, because we're home. Hi, Suka. Before I go to Young Yeah, she doesn't know the trend. I'm always on TikTok.
Why don't you have a cake? Looks so good. I'm having this cake.
Huh? Me? Oh.
No, yeah. And then outside.
Your friends love you, bro.
Alright?
No, your friends love you.
I love my friends as well.
No, your friends love you.
Yo,
That's some of the amazing cake I've ever seen in my life.
thank you.
Bro, and I love cake.
Yo, like for me, I have
Pika.
picture.
What?
guys.
From here.
Stop.
Yeah, from like 0.5 from here. I want to see how it looks. From here, bro. You know. From here.
I said the top and you said yes.
No, I said the angle.
And there's not a lot of people here, bruh. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Don't forget to
Like, subscribe.
and hit the
Notification button below, you know what I mean? Tell us what you think about the colors in the comments, you know what I mean? If you thought it was orange,
What do you have to say?
if you thought it was black. Yeah.
Why is it every time I sit down?
I would like
Every time I sit down, it keeps getting
You
worse.
guys,
Yoruba.
Every time I sit down, it keeps getting worse. And tell me something.
I lost my. What was that?
People say,
Smoking about it.
hey,
Horrible.
hey. Okay, bye, guys.